Hey, it's Vas here from Aussie RC Playground, and today we are going to be speed testing the Teamco Rally Radix 6. So the car's 100% stock, and we are going to be testing it on 4S first, and then we're going to put a 6S in there and see what it can do. Here we go, 4S. First time driving this car actually. Wow, this is going to be quick. Alright, here we go, Noah. Whoa, here we go. How much? 65. 65. Whoa. Whoa, hey, come on now. Come on now. 65. Thank you very much. I'm just going to do some tuning on my controller here because I think my sensitivity is quite high, and we've got a car coming. Alright, here we go, Noah. Let's try this again. 65. Alright. 63 that time. There we go. Now I don't have as much steering. I'm not sure that's a good thing. 63. Thank you very much. Let me just do a quick calibration of the throttle because I'm feeling like I hit full speed before I actually squeeze all the way. So I'll just do a quick calibration of the ESC and we'll be back in a sec. Okay. Oh, that feels a bit different maybe. Yeah, that feels a bit better. I'm not hitting full speed before I max out my throttle. So here we go, third and final. $64. $64 kilometers an hour, and our GPS is telling me, let's see as we zoom out as much as we can on this camera, and only 2 body pins on this one, which is good. And we have 63. So best on the radar gun was 64, I think. So 63, that's okay, I'll take that. All right. Oh, and before I forget, note on how I've got the battery set up. It's on its side, so I'm running the Ovonic. Actually, I'll take it out of there. And the reason why it's on its side, because I actually tried to do this with the connectors facing up, and I couldn't put the body on without the body obviously hitting the connectors. So 6500 50C is what we're using. Let's go 6S. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Now, if I'm going to predict anything, I reckon somewhere between 85 and 90 is where we're at. Here we go, Noah. Let's see if my prediction is correct. 95? Yeah. Well, that's a lot faster than I thought. Oh wow. Why does it spin out when I try to turn? $95. So hang on a minute. This thing is like almost 60 miles an hour out of the box. That's 2k shy, I think, isn't it? I think so. I think 60 mile is like 97. So yeah, this thing's geared up for 60 mile an hour out of the box. That's nuts. Here we go, Noah. How much? 97. 97, there it is, 100 mile. That's crazy. Sorry, 100 mile, 60 mile. There we go, 60 mile an hour. I think that might be 60 mile and change. But wow. Wow, Teamco Rally. Yeah. Out of the box on 6S. Without a pinion change. This is stock gearing. Here we go, Noah. 95 again. yes. This thing's out of control. All right, now. Oh yes, this thing's crazy. Out of the box, what? On 6S. Man, if only you could see the smile on my face. Oh, there it is, 97 kilometers an hour. That is 60 mile an hour, I'm sure of it. So, I'm impressed. Team Co-Rally, well done. That is sick. That's awesome. No pinion changes needed to get 60 mile an hour out of the box from a V2 Radix or Python. I presume the Python will be the same. And for batteries, I'm using this guy, the Iron hard case 5200 50C, sold at Metro Hobbies. Links in the video description for everything that you see here. Well done, Team Co-Rally. Well done. That's it from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.